Uh-oh. What is it? What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. Alright guys, it is that time yet again. We have two packages today, and one is from my boy Nate, and the other one is from DerekMarr. If you haven't checked them out, I'll post their social media down in the description box below. Be sure to check that out because I do have all my playlist and email information in there, as well as my about section, so go ahead and swing on over. I do not know what is in either one of these. I believe Nate was questioning if I knew what was in here or not, and then I can't remember what me and Derek actually discussed, but I am super excited because you guys know the best feeling to open up that mailbox is seeing some packages in there. So we are just gonna go straight to it, and we're gonna open up my buddy Nate's first and see exactly what we got. I like how he put Mustang Man right there. I like it. Alright guys, ready? Let's go with box number one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What is it? Holy crap! Oh, my dude came in! My dude came in solid! The 2020 GT500 Super from G-Case. Oh, my dude! God, this was probably the most anticipated car of 2021. And oh, man. Oh, that is so sick, dude. Check this out. Look at that. You got the nice real riders on there. Of course, the Spectra Flame Gold. Look at that. This is probably one of the best Spectra Flames for a Super. There's a lot of Supers out there that you have a very hard time finding the mainline versus the Super. Just like the new RX-3 right here. It is very hard to see the difference between the Super and the mainline. But check this out, guys. Holy crap. Oh, man. That is freaking wicked. Woo! Man, dude, that is so I love how he does that. Talk about an epic box to open from the start. Alright, what else do we got in here? Even people that don't collect Mustangs are really anticipating that one. Alright, come on. Where'd that razor blade go? Alright, that was some sticky tape. What do we got right here? Ooh, look how clean that is. Volkswagen Golf GTI 2007 first edition. Nice. Look at that. God, that wide body looks so nice on there. And check out those chrome Y5s. Look at that. It's a nice pearl white. You have really good tail light detail. Check that out. You got the tail lights with the Volkswagen badge. Of course, it says Hot Wheels 07. It's got the chrome base. No headlight tampos, but you do have the VW badge in the front and the red line trim on the grill. And I love that black hood. Check that out. That is clean. Alright, so this bad boy is definitely going in with the Momos. I got the yellow and the red, but check this one out. This is way clean. Oh, Nate. Nate. You did me a huge solid on this. Oh man, thank you so much, man. Like, I know I'm never ever gonna find this one in the wild, ever. I don't have the luck like Derek over at On His DIECAST, where he just whispers and Supers just fall out of boxes and fall off pegs. I'm like sweating, mainly because it's hot in here, but I'm also sweating out of excitement. Oh, that freaking thing is sweet. This bad boy needs to go up here like ASAP. Alright, so which one of these is being removed from up here? Is it going to be the Ferraris, or is it going to be the Ford GT90? Let's go ahead and move. Sorry guys, Ford GT90 Ferrari is moving over. Actually, the Audi can go down here. Let's see. This bad boy. Oh man, talk about freaking sweet. Got them Mustangs racking up, guys, and it's all thanks to you, so thank you so much, Nate, for hooking me up with that. That is freaking legendary. Alright, so we got DerekMarr's package up next. This is a really nice looking box. It's in great shape, I should say. All right, guys, here we go. I think I got it. I think I found the sweet spot. All right, let's go. Let's see what we got from my buddy DerekMarr. See what he hooked us up with. All right, let's see. Oh man, everyone using like freaking Gorilla Tape, because this tape is freaking strong. Whew. All right, guys, you ready? What do we got? What do we got? Ooh, we got another Toyota 86. Look at this, super clean out of the Hot Wheels Drift in the black and white livery. Of course I have one, but I haven't been able to find a second one. So we have another one, and this one is out of G-Case. If you can focus, G-Case right there, looking fresh. Ooh, look at this. Is this a 93 Cobra? It is out of Maisto. Got the 93 Cobra Fox body. Check this out. Oh my god, this thing is clean. Look at those wheels. Oh, that is wicked nice. I love this livery. The police deco. You have the opening hood, the chrome motor with the red accents. Of course, it looks like maybe the wiring, wire looms and all that, but look at those headlight details. That is nice. And you got the red fog lights on the lower grille. Of course, the epic snake right there on that front fender. This thing looks really nice. Look at that. I've never seen this one. Of course, I do have the Eibach version, but it's the drag setup. And I did have the Pro Street one, but I actually hooked up a buddy at work with that one. But look at this. That is nice. So that is definitely going into the display. And then we got the, looks like the 2005 Concept. Really nice tail light detail right there. And of course, you have the State Trooper, the 400 GT badge, and the chrome Y5s. Look at this. This is nice. Definitely love these concepts. And it's crazy because that's what the concept of the 2005 was supposed to look like. They're supposed to share similar lights to how the old Shelby was, but they just never ran with it. Definitely a sweet loose, but here we go, guys. All right, yeah, I remember now. Look at this. Look at that color. The 70 Toyota Celica. This thing is freaking sweet. And it is out of Cato House. Check this out. Love that orange striping, but look at that paint. This is what you call a pearlescent color. Look at that. It's gray from here, but then it's green from here. Look at that. That is probably the closest Hot Wheels has ever done to a chameleon paint job. Look at that color. You got the gold J5s all the way around. You got the headlights that are attached to the tinted glass. Nice front chrome splitter right there. And it's out of the Hot Wheels J Imports. That thing is freaking clean. And here we go, guys. We got the mainline 2020 GT500 in yellow enamel with the black stripes. So now, look at that. That is how the Super should look compared to the mainline. Now I have the Super and the mainline. This thing is so clean. Look at that. That is how it's supposed to be. Super, mainline. It should be a drastic difference. Not like how this one's kind of close to it. This one's very hard to tell except for the red wheels. And then you got this one. The main lines look very similar to that one, but this is how it should look, guys. Check that out. These are just amazing packages, guys. DerekMarr, you hooked it up solid with that Celica, and of course the Fox body. That 93 Fox is clean. Look at that stance real quick. Oh yeah, that bad boy looks good. You got the Concept 2005 State Trooper. Definitely love that one. Mainline GT500. Let me know what your thoughts are on this color. This pearlescent color just looks so good. That is freaking nice. Of course, another 86 in the books. But yeah, guys, talk about an epic. I know I say this all the time, but everything that all of you guys who send me stuff, it is always epic to me because I just appreciate every single thing. Even if it's a mainline, I appreciate all the main lines because I'm just a car guy. I love seeing something like that, like sending a Super. God, man, like that is freaking sweet. So I can't thank you both enough. Nate, thank you so much for hooking me up with that Super GT500. And of course, Derek, thank you so much for hooking me up with the Celica and the GT500 along with the AE86 and those loose ones. Those are freaking sweet. I cannot forget this 2007 first edition GTI. This thing is nice. And I'm sure my buddy Alex is going to be like, oh man, because he's a huge VW guy. I'm sure he probably has it, but check that out, guys. As always, let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on these packages, and of course let me know your thoughts on the 2020 GT500 Super out of G-Case for 2021. Is it on your list, or was it only on my list? Because I'm pretty sure everyone has it on its list because of that Spectre Flame Gold. But hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge I almost forgot to mention that King Nut's dad hooked me up with this 1/18 scale GT500 for 2020. Look at this green. Oh my god, this thing is nice. And it does in fact have the carbon fiber package. It's got the carbon fiber wheels, the carbon fiber wing, the roof, everything on here has the carbon fiber accents. And this thing is just so nice. So I definitely wanted to give a huge shout out to King Nut's dad for hooking the Mustang Hunter up with this beautiful 1/18 scale. And this is out of, I think it's a Costco exclusive. Look how beautiful this is. Now the other 2020 GT500 I have is not a 1/18 scale, it's a 1/24 scale. So the 1/18 has even more detail. This is gonna fit in perfectly within the Mustang Hunters collection. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. And of course, as always, until next time guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.